दर्शन महत्त्व तुझे सेंचुरी का असली नाम से होगा मैं
"75 years of independence will infuse the young minds with a renewed spirit of nationalism, memory of the sacrifices made by our known freedom fighters and unsung heroes. This will motivate them to emulate their ideals, and the young minds will be filled with revitalized energy to contribute more on the way to nation building with an infused sense of loving their mother country. Tomorrow, our photo exhibition on the ideals and sacrifices of the tall leaders, Gandhiji, Netaji and Sardar Patel, as well as many unsung heroes without whom the goal would have eluded us. The exhibition will continue in this INA complex for 5 days. We will organize various competitions like quiz competitions, song competitions, and the winners will be selected on the spot itself. And we will have extempore speech competition also, for which I requested the Commissioner Art and Culture also, and we will discuss with the Deputy Commissioner, and I also told Mr. Tikendrajit ji, the Zonal Education Officer also, to help us, so that you, dear children, will come to see the photos, which many may not have seen before. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thank you, sir.
25th years of independence, the country commencing 75 weeks prior to Independence Day of 2022 and would continue till Independence Day of 2023. The event starts with a 25-day celebration beginning today, the 12th March 2021. Today is also the anniversary of the launch of Dandi March. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji is launching this opening ceremony of the 75 years of independence. Should be one such festival in which the spirit of freedom struggle, tribute to the martyrs and their place to create India should be experienced. The festival should embody the glimpse of the glory of India and also the glow of modern India. This festival should reflect the light of the spirituality of the sages and also the talent and strength of our scientists, giving a link between tradition and technology. This event will also showcase our achievements of these 75 years to the global community and also give a framework for resolution to us for the next 25 years, so that our country can prepare for taking the responsibility of global leadership in the country. We need a commitment, a place to celebrate on achieving the national aspiration of global leadership. The celebration of 75 years of independence, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, is to be done with the participation of the 130 crores Indians, and this people's participation is at the core of this celebration. This participation involves the feelings, suggestions and dreams of 130 crore countrymen. For the celebration of the 75 years of the independence, 5 pillars have been decided: freedom struggle, ideas at 75, achievements at 75, action at 75 and a resolve at 75. All these should include the ideas and feelings of the 130 crores Indians. One emphasis given herewith is the need to honor and take the stories of lesser known freedom fighters to people, redefining the contributions of the unsung heroes. Every nook and corner of the country is replete with the sacrifice of sons and daughters of the country, and their stories will be an eternal source of the inspiration for the nation. We have to bring the contribution of every section to the fore, and there are people who are performing some great works for the country for generations, and their contributions, thinking and ideas need to be integrated with the national efforts. Now, the role of INA is unique and importance of Moirang is significant in the history of India's freedom struggle. This recognition is bringing in such kinds of photo exhibition at this auditorium tomorrow, and we feel proud of Moirang INA's association with the Moirang, and moreover the sacrifice of the known and unknown heroes from Moirang and its adjoining areas who committedly contributed whatever they can in the fight of the INA against the British to free India from the clutch of the slavery. I have a sincere appeal to all to make the events starting 12 March on the anniversary of the Dundee March and continuing for almost 2.5 years to create an atmosphere of the celebration in the country for a meaningful celebration in terms of refining the spirit and the nationalism and contribution at the level its Indians and make the country a global leader. Jai Hind.
Thank you.